In my recent video, I talked a lot about AI tokens that can make people a hell lot of money. Tokens like Griffin, tokens like AI16Z, tokens like Swarms, tokens like AXPT are actually making people a lot of money, and all this belongs to AI category. And that's why I have created a special playlist by the name AI Agent. Now in this video, I will tell you which category you should target if you're planning to invest in AI tokens, because these tokens are bound to pump just like meme coins did last year. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about AI tokens and the special category that you should target. Now before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on the link and join my Telegram group right away. So what is AI tokens? AI tokens is nothing but the projects which are powered by AI, just like AI agent. So AI agent is nothing but a special kind of tool that can actually run without much of human interference. You just give a prompt and it will work like magic. You have AXBT, AI16Z, one of the top promising tokens in this category. Now, what all the categories you can see in this particular segment? One is AI agents, and the second is this one, decentralized science, and third you have DeFi, and fourth you have AI agent launchpad, and fifth you have this one, AI framework. So these are the top categories in which you can actually find out the coins which can make 10x, 100x, or maybe make you a millionaire. Now you have AI agents, which is by default one of the most interesting sector, and here you should start your journey by pinpointing the top one from the list, the most famous one, and study them, like Virtuous Protocol, AXBT, and AI16 that I have covered them in my recent videos. You can check it out on my playlist on AI agent, and again study them and then figure out which other tokens in this particular list sound similar. Of course, this is a big list now. It was small a month back, but not big. Now, which sector should you look for? Now, if you go to the second category, which is your decentralized science, this is particularly related to health data, or you can say healthcare plus AI. So if you're someone who's interested in healthcare, you can check out this sector. Of course, this is not one of my favorite sector because I believe the growth in this token is not going to be very strong compared to AI agents, the other category. So I am putting it aside, but again, you can check my video on AXGT, which is one of the most leading token in this particular segment, called as XNTAO. Now, from my experience, what I believe the most promising sector that are going to make you money, especially in Q1 2025, is actually this one, which is DeFi, decentralized finance AI tokens. This category is something similar to that of DeFi of 2020. If you know 2020, you have a big boom of DeFi segment. Similarly, in 2025, we'll see a boom of DeFi coins, which is nothing but a DeFi segment powered by AI. And you can see here, Griffin, Paul AI, Hey, these are the most promising tokens that I've covered recently, and they will boom this season for sure. Of course, Griffin is one of my favorite. You can check my videos about Griffin by visiting my playlist. Now again, this segment is my top favorite, and I believe this can really make you a hell lot of money. And the best part is you have a limited number of coins compared to other segments. Of course, they are increasing day by day, but again, these have certain set of tokens which are very promising, and most of them are not very promising. So you can definitely take a look at it. I will give you the names like Griffin, Pal, Heyenen, and Queen is another one that you can look at. If you go to this category, which is AI launchpad coins, this is by default means launchpad platforms for AI protocols. You have virtuals already that is doing the job for you. So again, this AI rig that you can look at, that is quite promising, but again, this sector is not that much promising at the moment as compared to DeFi segment, which is DEFI. Now the last one is again one of the most promising, is AI framework coin. Now this segment is actually growing at this point in time. You have the top one called Swarmnode and Pippin. These two particular projects are building the framework for running AI agents, which means for running website you need server, for running AI agents you need to have a framework, and this is what they are building. They are selling shovels for the one who want to mine the gold. Again, Swarm is one of my favorite tokens in this segment. What I suggest, start with AI agent first, check out the AI agents 1 or 2, the top 3, and then go to this segment which is DeFi segment, DEFI coins, and then go to this one which is your framework coins. Then you will learn how this particular segment works, and of course watch my videos that I talk about AI tokens in the past. Of course, go to my playlist, check it out, and you will make a hell lot of money by just investing into AI tokens this year. Now again, not a financial advice, but again, if you want to have more information about them, just go to my Telegram, join it, and ask a question, and we are here to answer you. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video and new content. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.